Okay, so we down south, right? We normally don't get any snow down here, so a lot of people gonna be excited about it. It's nighttime now, and it's pretty much a lot of snow. As you can see, snowstorm has stopped. Snow belts like probably a few inches deep. Let's take a walk. So, see what we have. It's nighttime now, as you guys can see. And it's pretty much a lot of snow that we have out here. And yeah, we are down south, New Orleans, Louisiana. And this is what we have. Yeah, I'm pretty much buried in for the night. Yeah. But it's pretty much a lot of snow. Thank you guys for tuning in.